In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move tasks between lists in Microsoft To Do. Whether you're tidying up a project, separating work from personal items, or just reorganizing your day, moving tasks between lists is quick and straightforward on both the PC app and the web version. Start by opening Microsoft To Do and navigating to the list that currently contains the task you want to move. You can find your lists in the sidebar on the left. Click the list to open it, then locate the task you want to relocate. This keeps you focused on exactly what you're moving and from where. Next, right-click the task. A small menu will appear with options related to that task. If you need to move more than one item at the same time, hold down the Control key and click each task you want to include. You'll see them all highlighted, indicating they're selected together. This is especially handy when you're cleaning up a backlog or grouping related items. From the menu, choose Move Task to if you selected a single task, or Move Tasks to if you selected multiple. This command tells Microsoft to do that you're not copying or duplicating, you're relocating the original item or items. It's a reliable way to keep your lists lean and avoid duplicates. After that, pick the destination list from the options presented. You'll see the names of your existing lists, such as work, personal, or any custom lists you've created. Click the one you want, and that's it. The selected task or tasks will now appear in the new list you chose, and they'll no longer be in the original one. Your task details move with them, so you don't need to re-enter notes or reminders. There's also a quicker method available in some versions of the app. You can drag and drop a task directly onto another list in the sidebar. Click and hold the task, drag it over the list name until it highlights, and release. It's a smooth way to move single items when you're already browsing your lists. If you don't see the drag and drop behavior, don't worry. Just use the right-click menu method we covered. That's all there is to it. Open the list with the task, right-click, and select your items. Choose Move Task To or Move Tasks To, and pick the destination. With this simple workflow, you can keep your to-dos organized and exactly where you need them, so your lists stay clear and focused as your priorities change.